HBP, the oil equipment brand from China. The historic pictures recorded the innovative development of HBP in the past 10 years. In 1999, HBP developed the Enhanced Oil Recovery Polymer Flow Rate Regulator at an international leading level and helped the Daqing oil field realize the process revolution of one pump serving multiple wells in the EOR. HBP successfully set sail. In 2001, HBP developed the high-efficiency oil, gas, water and sand four-phase separator at a leading domestic level and helped Shangli oil fields successfully solve the problem of the separation of heavy crude oil with high water cut. In 2003, the HBP oil and gas processing equipment successfully entered the offshore oil market, providing complete sets of equipment for the offshore platforms, FPSO, and the onshore terminals. The company became the core supplier of Chinese offshore oil equipment. In 2004, HBP developed the high-temperature, high-pressure test equipment at an internationally advanced level. Thus, HBP oil and gas production equipment had made a major breakthrough. In 2005, HBP undertook the EP work of the CPF project at GBB Oilfield Central Processing Station in Syria, taking a solid step towards entering the international market of oil and gas processing projects. In 2006, HBP overtook 4-gas lift gas processing project in Janajol Oilfield, Kazakhstan, completing industrial chain extension of HBP oil and gas processing technology. In 2007, HBP developed the first domestic oil tank automatic cleaning equipment, with all rights reserved. In 2008, HBP developed the first domestic treatment to recycle usable oil from sludge, using both chemical and mechanical automatic treatment equipment, which was first applied in Daqing oilfield. Following the successful development of mobile sludge treatment equipment, environmental engineering services have gradually become an important part of HBP business development strategy. In 2009, HBP mobile test equipment won the competition after bidding against many internationally renowned enterprises, and therefore its products entered the markets of Algeria, Kuwait and other countries. In 2010, HBP undertook the EP work of the CPF projects in MIS Oilfield, Iran and Ahdab Oilfield Treatment Stations, Iraq. HBP products and technologies gained a firm foothold in the Middle East market. In 2011, the Oil and Gas Development Incorporation entered the energy development field. The energy development strategy of HBP has officially started. It is the strong ideals and great ambition of HBP and its supporters that have made the achievements and advancements over the past 10 years possible. China Oil HBP Science and Technology Corporation is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to providing the global oil industry with an efficient, clean mode of oil and gas resource production. On February the 25th, 2011, HBP went public in the Shenzhen Stock Exchange and became the first Chinese technology and equipment solution provider in the petroleum and petrochemical field that entered the A-share market. The company always follows the core ideology of the continuous innovative technology development and the importance of being people-oriented. After more than 10 years of development, the company has become the top provider of the design, development, production, marketing and service for new technologies and products, as well as implementing industrial automation systems integrating into China's oil industry. HBP business scope covers oil and gas treatment, oil and gas extraction, oil field protection, oilfield engineering technology, oil and gas resources development, and a variety of other such fields. Establishing itself as a provider of integrated high-efficiency, energy-saving and environmentally friendly solutions and the complete set equipment for the oil industry corporations, HBP regards the technology innovation as a means of maintaining sustainable development. During many years of experience in the industry, the company has continuously expanded its product fields. Based on the market requirements, the company is not only concentrating on the development of new technologies, but also is optimizing various equipment and technology so as to utilize the advance of systems integration and therefore to meet the requirements of different fields and design a complete system of equipment. Example of HBP's core system of technology includes both onshore and offshore high-efficiency oil gas treatment equipment, skid and trailer-mounted high-temperature and high-pressure test equipment, fixed as well as mobile oil waste treatment equipment, automatic mechanical oil tank cleaning equipment, and such products developed by the company independently have reached a leading international level. Holding the work philosophy of equality, mutual trust and progress in high esteem, HBP has employed plenty of talents. Now it has a fully equipped professional R&D design team of more than 200 people, comprised of doctors, masters and senior engineers. The R&D decision-making team, composed of many Chinese Academy of Engineering specialists, the chief scientists of the Chinese Academy of Science and national design masters, ensures the leading position of the HBP technical level in the industry. HBP has undertaken and participated in the research work for the major projects of the 12th National 5-Year Plan, major environmental scientific projects and a number of national research projects. Also, the company established a strategic cooperative relation and carried out a series of innovative and promising project research with the Chinese Academy of Sciences, Chinese University of Petroleum and other well-known domestic and foreign research institutes. HBP now has 8 invention patents and patent application rights, 27 newly incorporated patents, 13 software copyrights and over 40 self-developed techniques, all of which serve to form our complete core system of technology. Meanwhile, HBP has designed a comprehensive internationally standardized design and production system, being one of the few domestic providers of oil and gas field process systems and equipment with integrated design and manufacturing ability. Currently, HBP has a general contracting qualification of engineering design, pressure vessels, pressure piping design, manufacturing quality, and electrical engineering contracting construction qualification. The company also passed the API ASME U2S NBR certification, as well as the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001 and API Q1 Quality System certification. After more than 10 years of tenacious efforts, HBP has emphasized the enterprise development philosophy, create value for the customers, and dedicated itself to providing the optimum products and service for the oil industry all around the world. It has successfully established the brand image as the top provider of sophisticated technology in the aspects of general process system solutions and complete equipment. Its service has covered the 3 largest domestic oil companies and their subsidiaries. Now HBP has become the technological leader in China's oil and gas treatment fields. HBP has always emphasized the importance of the internationalized development strategy and continuous expanding of the international market. So far, it has provided complete sets of oil and gas treatment and extraction equipment for a myriad of development projects in oil and gas fields. Its business relations have expanded to include 20 countries and regions around the world. In Syria, Ecuador, Sudan, Algeria, Kazakhstan, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, and other countries. This energy service brand from China has become a fine figure on the international stage of oil equipment development.
President Huang stated, "The 11 years of development of HBP sufficiently proves that only when we choose the way of technology innovation can we meet the market requirements. It is the people behind HBP whose goal is to establish the high-tech brand of HBP in the industry. We are determined to prove to the world that we, the Chinese people, can also create original ideas for high-tech complete equipment with our own patents. Yes, we can. I believe."
On the stage of oil economy, Chinese enterprises have the means to keep stride and compete with the rest of the world, to welcome the challenge of the world market competition. With mutual cooperation, HBP's personnel will make progress and create China's oil technology brand with formidable international influence, as well as achieve China's goal of playing a greater role in the world market. With our unlimited wisdom and strength, as well as our determination, we are looking forward to a bright future. China Oil HBP Science and Technology Corporation Limited.